Good morning and welcome to NTM Video. Today I'm in a West Yorkshire town called Homfirth. Homfirth, you might remember, was made famous because of the filming location for a long-running BBC series called The Last of the Summer Wine. Today we will visit some of these locations and take you around Homfirth itself. It's worth visiting around here because of the beautiful scenery. It's located on the northern outskirts of the Peak District, about 6 miles from Huddersfield. Homfirth does get flooded, and it's had quite a number of floods over the years. The latest one took place in 1944. The flood of 1852, though, marks the height of the water here on this post. 81 people died destroying mills and cottages when this flood happened. Here's Stanley looking at the map. Here we are at the Pîcturedrome. Famous in Homfirth, it's still running today, but it opened in 1913, seating over 1,000 people, and projector box was actually outside of this cinema. Wow. Cranked by hand, I might add. Last of the Summer Wine was first broadcast by the BBC in 1973, and it lasted till 2010, a total of 295 episodes, which have been seen in 25 countries. Here's Sid's Cafe, a regular filming location, and has now become a tourist destination. The show used businesses and homes in and around the Homfirth area. Do you think Nora Batty would like these glasses? Right, let's move across to another filming location, that of Compo's house and Nora Batty's. I've probably got bad luck too, walking under that ladder. Here we have Homfirth Mills, a shopping area. Let's have a quick look inside. Here we are, just down this alleyway. Wrinkled stocking breakfast. Well, this was Compo's. And here's Nora Batty's house. It's actually a themed holiday cottage. You can actually stay here in a replica of Nora's home. Do you fancy staying here? Incidentally, the characters Bill Owen, who played Compo, and Peter Sallis, Clegg, are buried next to each other in St John's Church. I think Stanley looks cosy in that bag. Look at this place. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tour of Homfirth. We'll see you soon.